Hello everyone, I'm Cindy Gozali, and in this tutorial I'm going to explain how to convert your audio file to M4A format for Spark AR using online converter. So first go to Google and search for convert audio to M4A. Usually I use audio.onlineconvert.com. Click here. Then from your file, drag to here. Then for the sampling rate, you choose 441 Hz. And for the audio channel, choose mono. Then for the audio codec, choose AAC. So usually if the audio is playing in Spark AR but it's not playing in your phone, usually it's the problem with the settings. So make sure all of these settings is correct. Then click Start Conversion. Then download the file and put it in Spark AR. That's all for the tutorial. Thank you for listening.